Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you tired of catching colds every other week? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. There's a simple, natural drink that can give your immune system a serious boost and help your body fight off those pesky infections. It's called turmeric tea, and the best part? You can whip it up in your kitchen in just a few minutes. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about turmeric? Let me break it down for you. Our immune system is like our body's personal bodyguard, always on the lookout for invaders like viruses and bacteria. But sometimes, stress, poor diet, or even the changing seasons can weaken our defenses, leaving us more vulnerable to colds, flu, and other infections. This is where turmeric comes in to save the day. You see, turmeric contains this amazing compound called curcumin. It's like nature's own little superhero, packed with anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and antibacterial powers. Scientists have found that curcumin doesn't just fight inflammation, it actually helps our bodies become better at battling those nasty pathogens. Here's a fun fact for you. If you're dealing with respiratory issues like sinusitis or bronchitis, turmeric can be a real game changer. It helps clear out your airways, reduces congestion, and even eases pain. Pretty impressive for a humble yellow spice, right? But wait, there's a catch. Our bodies aren't great at absorbing curcumin on its own. It's like trying to squeeze through a tiny door. Not very effective, but don't worry, I've got a trick up my sleeve. When you combine turmeric with black pepper and a bit of healthy fat, it's like opening up that door wide. Suddenly, your body can absorb way more of the good stuff. That's why the recipe I'm about to share with you is so powerful. Are you ready to become a turmeric tea master? Let's dive into the recipe. Here's what you'll need. 16 ounces of water, that's about 2 cups, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, nature's sweetener, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and don't forget, a pinch of black pepper. This is the secret ingredient. Now, let's put it all together. First, boil your water. Once it's bubbling, take it off the heat and let it cool for just a minute or two. We want it hot but not scalding. This helps preserve all those amazing nutrients. Next, it's time to add your superstar ingredients. Sprinkle in the turmeric powder, drizzle in the honey, squeeze in that fresh lemon juice, and don't forget the all-important pinch of black pepper. Give it all a good stir until everything's well mixed, and voila, your turmeric tea is ready to enjoy. Sip it while it's warm for the best results. Oh, and here's a little pro tip for you. If you're feeling fancy, try swapping out the lemon juice for some lemon zest. It adds a zingy flavor that'll wake up your taste buds. Now, let's talk about why this golden drink is so amazing for your health. When you make turmeric tea a regular part of your routine, you're giving your body some serious love. It strengthens your immunity, making you a fortress against colds and flu. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your respiratory system, clearing out your airways and making breathing a breeze. But that's not all. Turmeric tea is an inflammation-fighting champion. It helps calm down inflammation throughout your entire body. And let's not forget about those powerful antioxidants. They're like tiny warriors, battling those harmful free radicals that can damage your cells. Now, I've got a question for you. Would you be up for drinking turmeric tea every morning? Or do you prefer getting your turmeric fix through food? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend who could use an immunity boost, and hit that subscribe button. We've got a whole playlist full of natural health remedies coming your way. And trust me, you don't want to miss out. Before we wrap up, I've got to drop a quick disclaimer. While turmeric tea is generally safe for most people, it's always smart to play it safe. If you're taking medications like blood thinners or diabetes drugs, have a chat with your doctor before making turmeric tea a daily habit. Your health and safety always come first. So, are you ready to brew up some golden goodness and give your immune system the boost it deserves? Get that kettle boiling and let's make some turmeric tea magic happen. Your body will thank you and those pesky colds won't stand a chance. Here's to your health, naturally.